Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Opel Blitz tanker truck. So there's a few clipping away needed for this kit. So take your clippers, clip like that. This is the little trailer hitch. Clip that little thing there. Now, here's some support plastic underneath the wheel well there. So you can see how I'm clipping that away. Just clip like that. And now, take your clippers and try to get that support plastic out of there. Very good. Perfect. Now, the other side. I'm just using clippers to get this stuff out of here. Very good. Now, just this back pieces here. All right, and then that, just like that. You can use sanding paper if you wish. Some kind of sanding tool, whatever you wish. But for now, I'm just clipping this. Alright, so officially the clipping away is done for this kit. Now we're going to glue this thing together. So the first gluing piece that we're going to do is just put some glue down like that. And then put this piece like that. Just double check. This little front bumper type features can be there. Alright, so let's let that dry over there. Next is this piece. So you see how the features there line up well? That's where it needs to go. So essentially, I guess we're not done clipping. This little thing needs to be clipped off. There you go. Just take some glue, put it down like this. And then carefully place this like that. You got it. While we're at it, go ahead and put some glue in there. And then you can put this little trailer hitch piece just right in there. Just like that, little trailer hitch piece. All right. Just the wheels and the two sides of this need to be glued together. Alright, so next task we have for you, put a bunch of glue like that. And glue on the back there too might help. And then just place this piece like that. There you go. So the tanker truck, two halves of it are glued together. Now, let's go ahead and put some glue here and some glue there. And this will make it so these... Alright, so just make sure that the axle is going in the center there. Double check to see how that looks. And there's this one. So yeah, the axle can go in the center too. Last but not least for this kit, the other side. Done with the glue. Now let's just put these pieces in place. There you go. One last tire here. Alright. Now, there is the Opel Blitz tanker truck available at Miniature Tanks Company, miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.